This video will explain how to use the remote with the solar-powered aluminum pergola. On the remote you have 8 buttons. In the first row, the left button is the up or on button. The right button is the down or off button. In the second row, you have the fan speed. To the right of the fan speed button is the fan light button. On the third row, you have the lights button, which control the lights next to your fan, and next to that is the button that controls your levers. On the last row is the buttons for your roller shades. If you did not purchase roller shades, these buttons will not be used. To activate your fan, select the fan speed button. Make sure that the fan speed icon is lit up on the LCD screen of your remote control. Press the up or on button. This will start the fan at the lowest speed setting of 1. If you would like to increase the speed of the fan, press the up button again and it will toggle the next speed setting. Your fan has 3 speed settings, and each time you press the up button, it will cycle through each speed. Pressing the down or off button will turn off the fan. Next, you can turn on the fan light by pressing the fan light button, and it will be lit up on the LCD screen. You have 2 options for turning on the fan light. You can press the fan light button a second time to turn on and off your fan light, or you can use the on and off buttons located in the first row. To turn on the lights separate from your fan, press the light button and it will light up on the LCD screen. Once again, you can either press the light button to turn on and off the lights, or you can use the on and off buttons on the first row. Control your levers, press the lever button and make sure the lever icon is lit up on the LCD screen. Then, press the up button to open the levers. To pause the levers in a specific position, press the same button you used to activate the levers. Press the down button to close the levers. And that is how you conveniently control your solar-powered aluminum pergola with one remote.